Dear friends, I am Dr. Shekhar Srivastav, and today we'll be discussing a bit about shoulder problems. What are the major shoulder problems and the common shoulder problems and how we manage them. I'm a knee and shoulder specialist and I work at Sun Permanent Hospital in Delhi. Shoulder is a very complex joint and the problems of the shoulder are very peculiar to this joint because this joint has got the maximum motion in the body. Though there are hundreds of causes of shoulder pain, but we'll discuss some of the major causes. Now, if we see age-wise, then in younger persons, the main problem is that of recurrent shoulder instability, where the shoulder comes out of the socket repeatedly. In slightly elderly persons, middle-aged persons, we see the problem of frozen shoulder, which is perhaps the commonest problem for the shoulder joint. And then in elderly person, we have problems of rotator cuff tear and shoulder arthritis. Now we'll discuss in brief about all these problems individually. Now in young person, the commonest problem is recurrent shoulder instability. Now we know that shoulder is a ball and socket joint, so a ball moves within the socket. But in young persons, because of trauma and some other problems, this ball repeatedly comes out of the socket. So it causes a lot of pain, acute pain, and it prevents the person from doing his activity to his utmost level. Now, this problem is initially managed with exercises, but most of the time, if it happens in younger persons, it requires surgery. So, we do it by arthroscopy, which is a keyhole technique, and then it gives an excellent result.
I'm Dr. Rajiv Kumar Gupta. By profession, I'm a dental surgeon. So I got my first shoulder dislocation somewhere around 12-13 years back when I was playing badminton. After that, it became quite recurrent. Every second year, I was getting shoulder dislocation. Then somebody gave reference of Dr. Shekhar Srivastav to me that he's quite a nice surgeon. So I met him and now I'm quite happy. Dr. Shekhar Srivastav, I believe, one of the genius surgeon I have ever seen and one of the decent person.
If we come to slightly middle-aged persons, then one of the commonest problem is frozen shoulder. So frozen shoulder is a condition where the capsule of the shoulder, it shrinks. So what happens? The movement becomes painful, the movements get restricted, and sometimes in advanced cases the pain is even at night, even at rest. This is perhaps the commonest problem in the shoulder joint, and the treatment usually here is initially physiotherapy and medication. Most of the patients can get better with medication and physiotherapy. Sometimes if they don't get better, then we give injections. But in extreme cases, suppose the problem is persisting for more than 6 to 7 months, in those cases, again we do surgery. Surgery again is arthroscopy, a small keyhole surgery where we make just small 2 holes the size of the tip of a pen, and where we put our camera and instrument inside and we release the capsule. So that gives excellent relief.